everyone, my name is Sophia G. Some of you may recognize me from my YouTube channel, Real Princess Sophia. A few weeks ago, my family moved from Hollywood, California to Fort Worth, Texas. We did that for two reasons. The first is to be closer to family. My grandpa, grandma, abuelo, abuela live here, and all my cousins. And second, because Fort Worth is an amazing city for actors, filmmakers, and YouTubers like me to create content and also study and learn from real professional actors, dancers, and singers who have worked all over the world. This is why I'm teaming up with the Artisan Academy to let you know about the incredible classes they have for kids and adults. If you want to learn how to act on stage, on camera, even become a YouTuber like me, or possibly an opera singer or dancer, come and learn from the best at Artisan Academy. You will have so much fun. And if you don't live close enough to come in person, you can totally take their online classes and learn from anywhere in the world. Just follow the link in the description below and sign up. But do it quick. These classes are so fun and so popular that they will fill up fast. And remember, be kind, stay real, peace out.